I'm Orlando Bankruptcy Attorney Eric Bolves with information about bankruptcy mortgage modification mediation. It's something that is new and available in a Chapter 13 case here in the Orlando division of the Federal Bankruptcy Court. Right now, it's the only place that I know where it's being done, and it's an absolutely amazing program. As you know, a mortgage modification is where the terms of the mortgage are changed to make it more affordable so that people can stay in their houses. Well, unfortunately, the percentage of approval of modifications is really low. In state court, it's basically less than 25%. There's a program here in the bankruptcy court that has an approval rate and a success rate of over 65%, and it really is quite amazing. What happens is that if a person files a Chapter 13 bankruptcy and they're behind in their mortgage and they qualify for a HAMP mortgage, and actually other kinds too, then they can file a motion to mediate a modification. And this is supervised by the Chapter 13 bankruptcy trustee, which really improves the chances that it's going to be successful. The goal of the mediation is to reduce the monthly mortgage payment to less than 31% of a person's monthly income. Okay, so just to use easy numbers, if a person's monthly income was $1,000, then the goal would be to reduce it to no more than $310. It also reduces the interest rate, at least temporarily, to as low as 2% and can lengthen the term of the mortgage as long as 40 years. That can really make a huge difference as to whether or not a person is going to be able to stay in their house. If they have a second mortgage that is giving them difficulty, we can get rid of the second mortgage in what's called lien stripping. If the value of the house is less than the payoff on the first mortgage, we can eliminate that second mortgage. Now, what do we do with the amounts that the person is behind on the first mortgage? Well, a couple different things. We can either take that amount and put it back into the balance of the loan, or we can add it to the end of the loan as kind of a lump sum, or in some circumstances it's actually forgiven. There have been quite a few cases where the arrearages are forgiven and the payoff on the first mortgage has actually been reduced. The mortgage companies like this program, their law firms like this program. Seems like everybody likes this program. The reason that it's successful, I think, is because we have a phenomenal Chapter 13 trustee, Lori Weatherford, here in the Orlando division, and her office makes it very easy to do. It is, when the modification is complete, the agreed upon payments are made part of a Chapter 13 bankruptcy plan, which means it's approved by the court and supervised by the Chapter 13 trustee for a period of at least 5 years. That's really, I think, what makes this so successful. A lot of information is available on it, and I think it's a phenomenally exciting program. If you would like to discuss it and talk more about it, please give me a call, 407-894-1002. I'll talk to you later, and thanks for watching.